In this video we are going to check out the best 5 mechanical keyboards. Okay, let's see the features to find the best ones.
Stay tuned by subscribe for next updates. And give me your valuable opinion.
Best of 5. EagleTech KG010 Mechanical Keyboard. Sturdy keyboard base made off aircraft-grade aluminium. Compact space-saving design with 104 full-size keys. All 104 keys are 100% conflict-free, anti-ghosting. 12 multimedia keys. Win key can be disabled for gaming. WASD and arrow keys are interchangeable. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 4. Logitech K840 Mechanical Keyboard. Exclusive Logitech Roamer G mechanical switches. Durable and robust construction and design that is made to withstand your most demanding typing sessions. Get easy access to integrated media and shortcut keys that allow you to control your entertainment. Get more customized control over your productivity with reprogrammable keys. Full-size corded keyboard with 1.8 meters cable with built-in strain relief. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 3. Corsair K68 RGB Mechanical Keyboard. Vivid RGB backlighting offers virtually unlimited lighting customization. Dust and spill resistant design rated up to IP32 protection. 100% gold contact Cherry MX mechanical gaming key switches deliver the ultimate performance and competitive advantage. Corsair Utility Engine software controls sophisticated macro programming and stunning dynamic lighting effects. 100% anti-ghosting with full key rollover ensures your commands and simultaneous keystrokes. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 2. Redragon LED Backlit Mechanical Keyboard. Custom mechanical switches for ultimate gaming performance. Red LED adjustable lighting and double-shot injection molded keycaps for crystal clear backlighting. Metal and ABS construction, mechanical keys, and gold-plated USB connectors stand up to hardcore gaming. Custom mechanical switches designed for longevity, responsiveness, and durability. 87 standard conflict-free keys, 12 multimedia keys, and splash-proof design. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 1. Cooler Master Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. Mechanical Cherry MX Blue Switch, RGB per key floating gaming keyboard with light bar illumination, minimalistic design with slim profile and floating switch design. Removable magnetic wrist rest for superior comfort. Dedicated keys, multimedia, Windows lock on-off-on-the-fly controls for quick macro. Included 9 purple double-shot PBT gaming keycaps and braided Type-C USB cable. Check the description for best price and details.
Thanks for watching. Stay tuned by subscribe for next updates. Please give me your precious opinion clicking by like, share and comments.